So hopefully we understand why we use that like 7 layer bar analogy, right? The idea that if you're given a question that you don't really know the answer to, the goal then is to one, figure out um, what it means, so like what you need to do in order to get there, and then once you know what that question means, finding the way to get to the answer. So to use the example, continue with that 7 layer bar, right? Some things that you would need to know are like one, what is it, right? You need to have a picture of what it is. For reference, it's just like a bunch of stuff stacked up and you bake it, like graham crackers, coconut, various nuts, that type of thing. You have to know what it is. Secondly, you'd have to know like where to find some ingredients, what you need to do with those ingredients, so how you need to arrange them, how you need to cook them, um, cooking times, temperature, all of those things. Once you've identified all that, it becomes a lot easier to say, okay, I was told to bake this bar. I know what it is. I know all the different pieces I need. And I know how to get to that end result. We can take that same idea and apply it to making or answering a history question or an ELA question. If I ask a question that you're a little unsure about, first thing is, okay, well, what does it want me to do? And that might involve uh, finding definitions for words you might be unsure of. It might involve using previous lessons to make connections. Whatever that looks like, finding a way to understand exactly what that is. So, for instance, on this one, it's talking about theme. You're going to need to understand what a theme is. Once you've done that, then it's okay, well, what do I need to do in order to be successful answering this? What readings do I need to have done? What evidence do I need to pull from? What questions do I need to be able to answer? All of that. That's what attacking the prompt comes down to. Figuring out what the goal of that prompt is and the best way for you to get to the answer. So that's what we're building towards. And ultimately, when you do a very well done attack the prompt, it sets you up to write a really strong paragraph. So that was a lot of info. I'm gonna let you go off and finish up whatever the reading part for Amigo Brothers, and start to look at your previous paragraphs. So good luck. Reach out if you have questions.